Hey guys, did it bother you that the 360 just seemed to kind of come out of nowhere? It almost seemed like it was just pure luck that kept happening. Well, this is a quick little video to show you exactly why it's 360, not just based on a pattern, but based on actual, sort of proof. So let's start actually with the triangle. Okay, I don't think it's going to take much for me to convince you that the three angles of a triangle have to add up to 180, right? A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. All right, no big deal. But as soon as I start bringing in these exterior angles, you really got to think about what's happening. Okay? If this is B degrees, let's just say, let's call them so it's more obvious. We're talking about angles here. So this is B number of degrees, however many it is. What would this angle have to be? Right? These two angles have to add up to 180, right? To make an exterior angle, you have to draw it straight through, one of the sides. So this is going to be 180 degrees minus B. Okay, I'm basically subtracting B from 180 to get whatever this one was. If this was, say, 40, this would be 140. Right? Think of it like that. Just put a number in there real quick and you'll see that that makes sense. If this is C, well, this has to be 180 minus C. If this is A, this is 180 minus A. And the whole point of this question is to figure out what's the total angle measures for outside, for the exterior angles of a polygon. So we already know that the three angles inside add up to 180. What about the outside? So I have 180 minus A plus 180 minus B plus 180 minus C equals the total, which I'll just call like big X here. All right, let's simplify these. 180 plus 180 plus 180 is 540 degrees. Minus A minus B minus C, I can't combine those, must equal this X. There's a couple of ways I can go from here. I'm going to try to go the most obvious way. I think for most people, if I just say, you know what, let's add A, B, and C to both sides. Right? Plus A, plus B, plus C. Those cancel, right? But I got to do it to both sides. So plus A, plus B, plus C. Right? Add A to both sides, add B to both sides, add C to both sides. But wait a second. A plus B plus C, I know what that is. Right? Isn't that 180 degrees? Isn't that how we started this whole thing? So can't I replace this with 180 degrees? So plus 180 degrees. So this would be 540 equals X plus 180. Right? So instead of writing plus A plus B plus C, I'm basically, actually I really should have put the parenthesis here now that I'm looking back at it. Right? A plus B plus C is 180. I have it's positive, right? So positive 180. And now I want to solve for X. So subtract 180 from both sides. Oops. X equals 360. And you can do that for however many sides you want. You would just have an extra term here. It'd be 180 minus A, 180 minus B, 180 minus C, 180 minus D. And before you know it, you end up just subtracting that same number over whatever this ends up being. This would end up being, an extra, it'd be 360. So it'd be 720 minus 360. You're going to get 360 every time. All right, so a neat little sort of explanation as to why it's 360, and you could literally do that for however many angles you want. Okay, so just a quick little proof there to show you why it ends up being 360. Okay, good luck.